Hey guys, this is Patty again from Platinum Professional Training, and today I would like to be sharing with you some tips that you could implement when it comes to applying for your job when you're stuck at home. So what can you do to be more productive when you're trying to apply for a job and really get yourself out there and you're stuck having to work at home? Well, number one, I recommend that you always show up as the best version of yourself, even if that means you're going to be working from your bedroom. When we are actually going out to the office, we're always wearing something that is appropriate for other people to see. And that in itself makes us feel more confident, more capable, more productive throughout the day. You might not notice it because it's a very subconscious thing. So the whole point of dressing up is not just about productivity level, but it's about consistent self-image. The more you're able to win small things throughout the day, the more you'll have confidence to accomplish bigger tasks, such as overcoming your fear of the interview, overcoming your fear of applying for jobs, and overall it creates this great momentum where you're always winning small things and you're confident that once you get the interview, you can also create a good impression. Number two, make sure that you also read the things that you're passionate about so that you can expand your skill set and you add knowledge into your cup so that when you talk to your interviewers, it's not just about the role and the job, but it's also about outside interest and bringing other values to them. You know, I find that when I'm able to share stories with my interviewers, they are more captivated by what I know. So it feels like I'm not only taking from them by asking them for a job, but I'm actually giving something to them in return, which is an experience. I'm allowing them to feel that it is actually worthwhile listening to my stories. And even if I don't get a job, I might actually keep in touch with them and have more opportunities to apply for that job in the future. Sometimes getting a job is not just about meeting one hiring manager and receiving a no and just going away. It's actually about keeping in touch, nurturing that long-term relationship so that if anything comes up, you'll be the first to know. Number three, make sure that you don't just keep yourself stuck in an environment that doesn't really motivate you. Meaning that if it works for you to only stay 2 hours in your house and then in 1 hour just going for a walk, getting some fresh air, then you should actually try to balance out your time. Longer working hour does not increase productivity. Efficient way of using time by leveraging time and also prioritizing your energy is what will help you become an effective job hunter. You know, it's just like studying for CPA exams or IELTS or PTE. When you are studying, you want to be in your best state, meaning that you have a lot of energy to focus. You may be focusing for only 1 hour, but with that intense focus, you can probably achieve 4 to 5 outcomes rather than spending 3 hours trying to produce an outcome. And you get nowhere because you're not that engaged in the activity. So make sure you find a balance and see what works for you so that you're always the highest version of yourself when you're applying for a job. Now lastly, if you are just working from home, it doesn't hurt for you to reach out to people within your industry and try to keep in touch with them. Just because you can't go out and network and say hi to somebody and give them a business card, it doesn't mean that you can initiate a coffee catch-up by using LinkedIn. There are so many times where I've met people in person, even during COVID, because we know how to build a rapport online first before we then make time to meet each other offline. Networking can also be done online if you have the right profile, if you have the right mindset, and if you have the right value to give to the people. So instead of just thinking about applying for a job, why not also use your time to create other values like writing an article, filming a video, and just making sure that you're always up to date and always having something to offer to people, whether that would be spare knowledge or even relevant knowledge. The more you read, the more you learn, the more you practice and execute, the more it is likely that you will be noticed by relevant people, and it will become much easier than just going through the ATS machine and stressing yourself out because your keywords don't match the machine. Now, I'm just going to end this video at here, and I really hope that you found this tip useful. You know, it's very counterintuitive how to really prepare for a job from home, because it's not just about trying so hard, it's about adopting the effective habits outside of your job hunting journey, like drinking enough water, eating the right food, getting enough sleep, you know, being more immersed with the environment, with nature, so that you're always feeling energized, which will then affect the way you focus and interview So if you like this content, please don't forget to subscribe down below and let us know in the comment section how we can improve this video for you. And also come and press the like button and keep in touch. I really want to know what you guys want to see next so that we can actually tailor the content to suit your needs. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll be signing off for now. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.